does.
No.
I'm gonna go downstairs and see what my mom said about my going on my back. She never saw him before.
Alright, let's go. What's gonna die? Hurry up. Go. Go.
I don't want to scare him. Is he safe?
No, you see. You. Go. Mom!
Get the fuck out of here! I'm just falling asleep. Leave me alone. Ass fuck. Okay.
It's one of them 5 colored chalk things.
Jerk off.
Oh, shit. Get away from the doggy.